So we are back with another episode. Our bunny seems to get broken. Wah, wah, wah. And so, but it can still light up with this little
we
button.
have another guest.
Yep, we have another guest. Just let me try to... Okay, that was not it. Okay, I'll get the door. Cheesh a weesh. Okay, guest is in. Unfortunately, it was just... Hello, everyone. Can't get enough of me?
Shining armor.
Yeah. Okay, so today this bunny got broken. Ba-ba-bum. And so now we will be opening this little package. I'll be opening it. No, I'll open it. I'll open it.
Shining armor.
Let him. And so unfortunately, it's been a little incident. Shining wants to open the package. I'll open it. I promise. I'll take good care.
Okay, let's just get over it.
Yay!
Pile of plastic.
Unfortunately, that was from our older reviews. And all we need to review is the bubbles we're going to do outside. So,
and the My Little Pony thing, which I think you're gonna love.
And our pony thing for a future video. Bum, 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 bum. My Little Pony Friendship is Magic.